In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the League of Legends Van 185 error. Now to solve that, what we want to do is simply come down here and search for Task Manager. In here, go to Details, sort by the name, press anywhere and press L. See if you have League of Legends open. If you have any League of Legends in the task, then R, look for Riot Client, end the task for all your Riot Client stuff, and then V for Vanguard, and close down the Vanguard end task, and make sure you close down everything Vanguard related. Now I'm not gonna close it down now, but if you're doing this, you need to do this, end the task, do that, and then what you wanna do is, you wanna come to Apps right here, and uninstall your Vanguard. So search for Vanguard, click uninstall. Now after you've done that, what you want to do is open up your Riot Client. You can click on Riot Client or League of Legends, doesn't really matter. And then you should see an update for your game. Now that update is simply to reinstall Vanguard. So you're gonna take that one, restart your PC, and then come down here, search for Services, click anywhere and press V, find VGC, click on it, Automatic, Start, Apply, OK, and then restart once again, and this should fix your issue completely. Now after you've done this, you probably won't get the error anymore, and that's about it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.